As a content creator on YouTube, you definitely must have prayed 1 or 2 times to have a viral video so that your channel is just going to pop or go viral, or maybe you just want to monetize your YouTube channel. So you need that viral video to actually bring in the views for you to enable you monetize. To you are actually praying the best prayer that you can pray, but trust me, that is going to be the very beginning of bad news for your channel if you continue to pray for viral video. Like, viral videos are actually bad news when it comes to keeping you long term here on YouTube. And I'm going to show you, because I know a lot of people is saying right now, what are you talking about? I currently run 5 YouTube channels, and I'm going to use one of those YouTube channels to actually make an illustration for you. So this particular video is actually made from one of my YouTube channel that I actually uploaded, and this particular video got me 200,000 plus views, right? And it's still counting. But after the onset of this video, like after this video went viral on that channel ceased to give me views. Now these are the kind of views that channel started giving me: 20 views, 50 views, 10 views, and all of that. I don't even get up to 50 views on that particular channel, and that is because there are some things that comes with virality on a video in a channel that you should know before you go ahead to pray for viral video. Instead of praying for viral video, pray for visibility and sustainability of your YouTube channel, because that is the 2 things that you need, especially if you want to remain long term here on the YouTube space. So if you are praying for viral video, please sit down and watch this video to the very end. Let me show you some of the reasons why you should not pray for viral videos here on YouTube. Number 1 is unsustainable growth. Yes, when that video or a particular video goes viral on your YouTube channel, you may not be able to sustain the growth. Now let's take, for example, this particular video I showed you on my YouTube channel that got me 200,000 plus views. That particular channel gave me more than 300 subscribers, or that particular video gave me more than 300 subscribers, and it also gave me more than 3,000 watch time hours. Now imagine I am to monetize my YouTube channel. Of course, that video has already given me monetization, but trust me, the growth is not something that you can sustain, because with that viral video, I am unable to get any other video to even do 1,000 views, meaning my subscribers that came in through that video, which is now looking like the bulk of the video of the subscribers that are in that video, are now looking for videos that are looking like the video that brought them, which is the viral video that brought them. So if I cannot recreate a content like that viral video, I will not be able to sustain my YouTube subscribers that came in through that particular viral video. So the growth is not something that you can sustain. But if you are growing steadily on the YouTube space, you definitely will be able to sustain the growth, because it is something that you are working on your pace, and it is something that is growing on your pace also. So you don't want to pray for viral video, trust me, you guys. Number 2 is lack of authenticity. Now when you pray for viral videos, you tend to do things that will make you go viral, not things that will help you or help your channel to remain authentic. Now let's take, for example, you are in a cooking niche. Instead of focusing on delivering quality content or delivering valuable content to your YouTube subscribers, you will now be looking for viral content or trending videos that you can actually hop in so that you can get viral video. And by so doing, you are not putting your authenticity first, you are not putting your YouTube subscribers first, you are not putting value first, which is something that is going to help you stay here long term. People always go for value here on the YouTube space. Subscribers will definitely always go for people or channels that are giving them value. So when you are trying to focus on going viral on the YouTube space, you tend to lack authenticity, because you just put any video or anything on the YouTube space just so that you can have a chance of going viral, which is not something that you want. Number 3 is the fact that it traps you in a circle of chasing trends. Now you want to look for videos that are going viral, you are looking for topics that are going viral, you are looking for what everybody is saying that is bringing in views, that is bringing in traffic, instead of looking for what is sustainable for your YouTube channel, or looking for something that is actually delivering value for your YouTube channel. Instead of chasing trend, focus on building community, a strong community of people that love you and love what you do here on YouTube. So when you pray for viral video, you are actually going to find yourself chasing after one trend or the other, because of course the trends or video that trends are the ones that brings in those viral videos, right? So you want to be chasing trends, or you will be chasing trends instead of focusing on building capacity and building valuable content here on YouTube, which is not something that you want to do, trust me. Because for how long do you want to be chasing trendy content? How long do you want to be producing trendy content when some trendy content are not even something that you would love to even record or film or talk about? You want to go and do it because that is what you are looking for. You just want your video to trend. So it is not something that you would definitely want to do in a long term. Number 4 is that it attracts the wrong audience to your YouTube channel that wouldn't engage to your core videos. Now, when you go for viral videos, or when you are chasing viral videos, they only bring channel subscribers, or subscribers that definitely are not going to love your core videos. Now let's take for example this video that I just showed you from my other YouTube channel that has done 200,000 plus views. The subscribers that came in from that particular video wouldn't want to watch something that I am already used to doing in my YouTube channel. Now let's take for example, maybe I just left the core of what I am doing. I just said, okay, let me hop on this particular trend, and then I hopped on it and that video just went viral. The subscribers that are going to come from that particular video are going to be expecting that I continually record this particular kind of video, because that is what brought them, that is their interest, that is what they're interested in, right? So instead of me to now look for or be creating content that I love to do or that I've been doing since in my YouTube channel, I will now be focused on creating trends or content that are related to that particular viral video. Like, it is so stressful, it is madly stressful. And trust me, if you don't create that kind of content that brought these subscribers, they will not engage in the video. The subscribers, even when you have a particular niche that you are in, you will still even see this, that your subscribers will like some particular videos and they will not like some particular videos. Not to talk about when you leave your particular niche to go and hop on trends, right, just to get the viral videos, they will no longer engage in your core videos. Those videos that you normally produce on your YouTube channel, they will not engage. So that is another thing. Number 5 is that it causes you pressure to stay on a particular kind of niche type. Now, that is what I just said. If you go ahead to create viral video or to look for trending content that you want to create that are outside your particular niche, it is going to put pressure on you to continually look for content or that particular content that is actually trending, so that you too can be going viral or to be getting views all the time. And trust me, it is stressful. It is not something that you want to do, because every single day you are restless looking for one content or the other that is trending. It is not easy to stay like that. The pressure is really, really much. That one is going to be that it's going to result in you feeling inadequate to produce content, or it's going to lead you to burn out. Now, when you start looking for content that are going viral, content that a lot of people are talking about, content that is having a lot of traffic, content that people are really talking about this season, is going to lead to burnout. You will get tired, you will get pressured, you will give up, because of course you cannot be going from one viral content to another. Like, you cannot be looking for one viral content to the other. Instead of doing all of these things, just focus your mind on steady growth and stability in your YouTube channel, and also to get community of people that love what you do. Pick a particular niche and focus on creating content that you love around that particular niche. And with time, because of course YouTube is time, YouTube needs your patience. With time, you are going to build community of people that love the kind of videos that you create, and they are going to start engaging on those kind of videos that you create. And with time also, you will get monetized and you will start making money on YouTube. Because one thing is to go viral and then you are monetized, you start making money. But one thing that a lot of people don't know is, if you monetize your YouTube channel out of virality, you are going to need to stay on virality lane to help you keep getting the money that you want on YouTube. Else you will not be able to make money, because you need views to make money. But if you make your channel in a way that it is stable, bringing in the views here and there little by little, and then you monetize your YouTube channel out of loyalty and the love that people have for your channel, you are definitely going to be making money on a steady basis when you are monetized. That is something that you should keep in mind when you want to start up on YouTube, or when you are thinking of going viral here on YouTube. So there are positives and there are negatives, and in fact the negatives are more than the positive. So make sure you are thinking about it before going viral on YouTube. Make sure you know your onions, and make sure you know what dangers is going to cause your YouTube channel before you think of hopping on trendy videos and going viral. I hope this video has been able to help you in a way. If it has, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. On here, I teach you how to grow your own YouTube from scratch, monetize and make money that you are going to smile to the bank. And if you love content around that, please go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. If you have any questions for me, please leave it in the comment section. I have tons of videos that are going to help you grow here on YouTube, and I'm going to leave the link to those videos in my description box, so go ahead and check them out. They are definitely going to help you one way or the other to get monetized and to grow here on YouTube. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'm going to see you in another one. Bye.